And now your Fox 34 Weather Authority forecast with Chief Meteorologist Matt Ernst.
Latest update on the drought across our area. It has now expanded. This is the first time over the past several months that we've moved into D4, the exceptional drought status. Northwestern Lubbock into northeastern Hockley, about the eastern half of Lamb, and the western about a third or so of Hale County. That's where it's worst in our area. We've also seen a lot more of the D3 expand. Now, best rain past few months has been out east, and we also had some pretty good rain here past couple of days. This data runs through Tuesday, then it's processed through Wednesday. We get the update Thursday morning. No surprise here. It's been dry, and long-term things are looking like a La Nina winter, potentially drier than average. In fact, that is the way it looks going through this winter. Now, it is going to be plenty warm next few days and sunny. Colder for the middle of next week, maybe some rain next week as well. Outside right now, Fox 34 Viper shows a clear scan across our area. There have been a few severe thunderstorms down southwest of San Antonio, moving down toward the border. You can see and this has been a good batch of showers and storms. It's made good progress north to south across the state. Here it's just been clear. Gerber Collision and Glass Tower Cam shows we're at 78, pretty nice evening with an easterly wind at 9, dropping off to about 63 tomorrow morning. Plenty of sunshine, high temp up around 90, a couple degrees above average, and a light easterly wind. And the forecast guidance shows that it's just going to be sunny and quiet tomorrow. Maybe a pop-up storm down near Abilene, but clear here. A similar story on Saturday. You see a little bit of cloud cover moving on in. Could be a shower or storm from Abilene to Midland and Odessa, but I think we'll stay dry and mostly sunny here. So in the morning, kind of like this morning, a nice start. We dropped to 64 this morning. It's about the same thing. To start your Friday, 50s generally west and northwest of Lubbock. And then for the afternoon, we're back up into the 90s, so another warm day. It's going to get even warmer this weekend. I want to jump ahead to Monday. We're looking at probably mid, maybe upper 90s Monday afternoon with some much colder weather up to the north. That powerful front is going to slide on through, and this shows it's probably going to move through middle of the day Tuesday, and the cold builds on in. We're starting to see in the data numbers that ag producers do not need. Now, this is just one computer model showing us in the upper 60s here Wednesday afternoon. We actually, back in high school in band, did solo and ensemble. Different thing here. I'm one guy solo talking to you about ensembles, but not musical accompaniment. Instead, ensembles are when you take one model, run it again, change it just a little bit each time at the beginning to see, are the models agreeing? If so, you have a lot of confidence. The ensembles have a huge spread. When we see a big spread in the ensembles, makes us kind of nervous on making a forecast just how cold it's going to get. We know this much. The computers are showing us it's going to get colder. But as long as we have that big range in the temperatures for the ensembles, it makes us less certain on just how much colder it's going to get by Tuesday, Wednesday. That said, many of the members of those ensembles, in other words, all those different models we look at, they've got it in the 40s next week. Ag producers don't need it this cold, and we may have some big problems up in the northwestern panhandle, as cold as it's going to get. Main takeaway is get ready for colder weather Wednesday, Thursday, maybe a little bit of rain there as well. At this point, 70, but we may even have to lower that number. A lot colder next week. Kurt?